How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet. And this week, I'm bringing to you the Athens Park Home 601. The 601 that I'm bringing to you is so unique, and it starts right here on the front deck where we added the 8-foot privacy slanted porch. Gives you a lot of options, and one is privacy. That means a lot to a lot of people, and on here with the slats, it's a perfect combination to give it a unique look as well as getting the privacy at the same time. We also went with the exterior ceiling fan. We have LED can lights as well, and the fun doesn't stop here, the uniqueness doesn't stop there. You guys follow me in so I can show you what the 601 has to offer. As soon as you walk in, you see right here that there's an abundance of space in the living and kitchen area. It's an open flow, but what makes it so great is with this home, we went with the 10-foot raised ceilings. And a tiny home in a park model, 10-foot ceilings, this is it right here with a tray ceiling accent to match. So you got that in here, bringing very unique features, a lot of character, and we went with transom windows all the way around. So bringing in all that natural light for you guys. What I like about it is we have the 42-inch overhead cabinets. Gives you a ton of storage space from top to bottom. You have in here also a built-in entertainment center. You would mount your TV right up above there or sit it right here, whatever you'd like. And you have your couch right across, so that way when you're relaxing, you have that space to do so. And what I like is with the open concept, everything flows, everything is open for you. You even got a space right here for a dining table. You can put a bistro table, whatever works better. And you have all these space here in the kitchen, so you have enough for a side-by-side refrigerator. We went with the black in this home. And you also have the hickory cabinets that go very well with the fire steel countertop that's in a laminate as well. And you see we went with the subway glass tile all the way up to the bottom of the countertops, giving it a nice overall feel. And you can follow me right through here. And we have the space for the stackable washer and dryer here to the left. So it's already prepped, so you put those right in, you're good to go. And we'll walk right into the master. With this being a 15 wide home, you have the ability to fit a king size bed in here. With this one, we have went with a queen, so you see that we have enough space on here. We also have built-in nightstands, pendant lights, shiplap accents, bringing that one-of-a-kind feel to this home. We've got clear storage right here, the clerestory windows, as well as transoms up top, more light. And then we have the built-in dresser drawer, TV placement, and barn doors on each side for your closet. So you hang up your clothes there, fold your socks and undies right there, and you're good to go. And you have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So it closes off with a pocket door. So you have that right there. And you'll see here we have the tile shower. All the way around, tiled completely with the glass closure. Very elegant feature in this bathroom, and it wraps around here with more hickory cabinets. And you have here another pocket door, so you can close those off at your leisure whenever you would like. Follow me back through, and you'll see this abundance of space again that you have in the living area. The open flow, living, kitchen, dining, everything that you need here in the 601 can be accomplished. This is a great model, a great home and floor plan for you to use as a primary residence, secondary residence, mother-in-law cottage, anything that you need. This is a place to do it at. And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.